guys, it's Adam from Vivid Racing, and as you know, we built a lot of really cool trucks here. Today we're packing up the marketing team and going up to Overland Expo, and we're taking something a little bit different. We actually built this pristine 3rd gen 4Runner that I think everyone's gonna really like. All new paint, has some VR forged wheels on there, which we're really excited about. Also a VR bespoke full leather interior, and the bespoke steering wheel, which is really, really cool for this thing. So we're excited we're gonna get the dogs in here and head up to the show and see what we got. Well, it looks like we finally made it. We got some neighbors over here. The drive went really well, but I'm more curious what Simone over here thinks. This is actually her 4Runner. She's our purchasing manager over at Vivid Racing and also my wife, so I'm really curious if I did a good job or not. What do you think?
Yeah, it was really good. The interior looks really nice with the new seats and the steering wheel. We got VR forged wheels here. Tires make a lot of noise and it's a lot slower, but
I'm pretty sure Magnuson's gonna help us out with that anyways though, which is gonna be really, really cool. So I do foresee a Magnuson kit coming because this thing is very slow. Much slower than the Tesla we're used to driving around these days.
Yeah.
So if you want to try it on the softest setting.
Is this the softest setting?
Yeah, just pull the lever down.
Oh wow, yeah.
Medium. Now we can be heavy.
Oh wow, basically just locks it out.
This just came out this week, the light bar. So we have one that's straight, this one's radius.
What pods are those?
Those are our own.
Those just look amazing. They do. Simone, you're getting all new lights for your truck, I'm sorry.
We have a bull bar, 2 bull bars that are gonna bolt up to the factory modular bumper.
Very
steel
cool.
bumper, and they're like almost identical.
That's rad.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Inflatable mattress that fills the whole back of the SUVs and hatchbacks. The 2 sides inflate separately. You've got a comfort valve on each side, so
Looks
sleep
super
comfort.
like form fit. Is it like vehicle specific?
We have like several different sizes.
Very cool.
So yeah, you can climb in and test it out as well.
So we make like the hinges, spare tire carrier, and a reinforcement plate to take care of some of that sagging and rattling in the tailgate.
Very cool.
Bunch of countertop space up top. You got a drawer underneath down here. This is a little clip-on countertop that you can remove.
Very cool.
That kind of folds over. Something like that. So everything you need for a weekend camp. We also have side mounts, which carry extra fuel. So that carries 5 extra gallons of fuel on the front side. On the other side of the Jeep is the Rotopax version of that.
Very, very cool.
Yeah.
Yep, new puzzle bits are down, so we got that large style and that small one there on the table.
Are these new?
Yep. So, yeah, totally modular. These little holes line up, so you just put them together and just carry it.
Really kick-ass cool thing. Is it water jet or is it
laser cut?
Laser cut? They look really, really good. Look really good.
Yeah.
We got Tacoma GX midsize, New Frontier, Pathfinder, whatever you want, with the multi-pit wheel plate. It fits all those platforms.
Very cool.
We have 8-lug, Sprinter, 4-wheel drive, Transit wheel plate. Like, we have all these wheel plates, so it's really a modular system. And then with the bike rack, we just made it specific to that swing out ecosystem, but the tray slides. So
lift kits for almost all Jeep models. We've dropped the CJ from our lineup and the YJ as far as lift kits are concerned. We still have products for CJ and YJ, but we do 4-inch lift kits for the TJ, JK, JL, JT. Perfect. We have a bunch of new Gladiator products out. We do heavy duty steering systems for the JT and the JL, TJ, and then on the JK we do two different. We do 1 ton and 2.5 ton for the JK, which is the steering that's down on that table. That would be our 2.5 ton with removable cartridges. But this is 1.25 thread. I mean, same thread as, you know, like most people's lower control arms.
Yeah, that's gnarly. This year's Overland Expo was absolutely ridiculous. It was super hectic. Right now we're just trying to chill out, walking around in Flagstaff. The weather is great. We're sorry we couldn't show you guys more of what we saw at the show, but we did get a lot of really cool connections and meet a lot of really cool manufacturers. So stay tuned on our social media channels for more. We'll be releasing a bunch of new stuff here soon. Thank you guys for tuning in.